Good morning. Today I'm going to be doing something beauty related. I know in my last video I said I'm never doing beauty videos ever again. I'm going to be a Fortnite gamer, but turns out making Fortnite videos takes all the willpower and energy out of me, so I'm never doing that again. So I hope you're understanding of that. But I'm going to be doing a video where I wear dramatic makeup to school and see what happens, you know? Before we even keep going, I want to give credit where it is due. Rachel Cantu posted a video where she wore makeup to school for a week, like every single day for a week. I was gonna do that, but then I realized this is my last day of school, so I cannot do that. Yeah, today I'm gonna be doing a crazy look for school, and I mean, I'm not really gonna be vlogging, but I'm gonna be taking clips from my day because I am taking finals today. I can't really vlog much if I'm taking a test. So I'm gonna be vlogging like in between tests and before and after tests. I'm gonna be checking in at the end of the day, and I'm gonna be, you know, updating y'all. Let's just get into this, okay? Let's just get started with the look. I'm not very good at makeup. You know, I used to be good at makeup earlier this year, but then I stopped doing it, so then I just like forgot how to do it. BRB. My brows are rough, okay? I know. No need to comment about it. I already get enough comments about it, so don't do it. I will block you. Just kidding, I won't, but still don't do it. If I mess up this makeup look, which is a very good possibility because I tried to do it last night and I messed up both times I tried. You know, it's like whatever. It's like, just wish me luck. I'm doing a cut crease, like a red cut crease, and then like the actual cut crease part is just gonna be white. I was thinking of doing glitter, but glitter cut creases, although they're doable for me, they're just really heavy on my eye and they like end up looking really odd. That's the thing about me, like a lot of really pretty like eye looks look weird because of my eye shape. Both like my creases are like different than each other, which makes it hard for them to like match up, but we're just gonna try our best because I have no other option. I'm gonna be using 3 palettes for this look. This girly right here, my holy grail, literally the best eyeshadows ever, you know. And then I'm gonna be using 1 red shade from this palette. Let me just talk about something. So, school has not been fun for me, you know. School's important, whatever, you know. Cops are coming. Ever since the beginning of freshman year, I have not been thriving. I mean, yeah, I haven't been thriving. Like, you know, I tried to like make myself think I was, but I'm actually not. So that's a little bit of an issue for me, but I'm not that mad about it because it just taught me that actually it didn't do anything for me. So it kind of sucks that I wasn't thriving because that time is now wasted and I'm never gonna get it back. So currently, I just put a transition in my crease. It doesn't look so hot. I use that shade. So yeah.
Last day of school, am I right, boys?
Ended off with, you know, a kicker. Like, why would I not be late on the first day of school? You know? Last day of school. If it was the first day of school, oh my gosh, I would scream. But it's not, so we're safe. Next, I'm gonna be going in with orange. I'm gonna be going in with the shade Blazing from the Huda palette and the shade Railgar from Modern Renaissance. They're both just orange shades. Okay, I'm not gonna go that in with detail because I don't have time for that. Like, I'm actually so dumb. Sometimes when I film, I say crap that doesn't make any freaking sense and then everyone gets confused. So I'm putting the orange like in the middle because what I'm gonna try to do is go from like purple to orange to red. I don't think it's gonna work at all, but I mean, I'm still gonna try. So don't even judge, okay? Okay, sweetie.
Okay, sweetie.
I'm gonna go in with the purple shade from this palette and Rosewood from Morphe. And both of those I'm gonna mix them and put them on like the inner part right here. Like right here, you see? You see? Oh my gosh, my stomach hurts so bad. Like, I actually don't think I can even go to school. It's really bad. But you know what? I have to go. And no matter what, it's gonna be a great time. I'm so excited to go to school today. So anyways, I'm gonna go and do the red. As you can see, I'm winging it out. There we go, like that. I'm sorry, this is like way too like makeup-y for me. I never like do this really. Like, I always like to be funny and just talk to the camera, but today I'm actually doing like a makeup video and it's really scary for me. So let's talk about some fun topics. I drank so much coffee, I'm literally shaking. Like, so I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm a little bit scared to go to school today because I mean, I'm gonna be honest, like I never really do wear this much makeup to school. Like I do wear makeup to school every day and I wear like dramatic lashes and stuff to school, but like eyeshadow I feel like is something different. Eyeshadow is a lot, especially this look. So I'm using Shape Tape again because it's the only thing that I can rely on in my life. And I'm gonna cut this crease. I'm not the best at showing you how to cut my crease, but I'm gonna try to do it anyways. I'm not even gonna talk, okay? So just watch closely and learn. I love when it does that. I love when it does that.
That's so funny.
Ew. I did it. Like, I don't know if you like saw, but like I low-key did that. Oh my gosh, that is such a relief. But you know, we're only halfway there. Halfway there. Oh, I thought I almost messed it up and I was gonna scream and cry. So I'm gonna set it now with this Morphe shadow, the white shadow I used earlier. Ooh, it looks fine, I guess. I mean, good enough, I guess. Whatever. Next eye. Yes.
Yes.
You know what I just did? I just did my second eye. And I don't know if you're proud of me, but you better freaking be. Because you just should be. I mean, duh. That was literally the most stressful thing I've probably ever done. It actually looks pretty good, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I usually hate on myself like a lot. A little too much, to be honest. But like, I usually hate on myself a lot. And I'm not even gonna hate on myself because this looks pretty good. You know, I'm gonna stop bragging and being annoying. And I'm gonna keep going. That's good for right now. And then as of later, I'm gonna finish everything up. I'm thinking while I'm doing my makeup, I should tell you guys some stories because this video has not been so like interesting because I've been talking about makeup, which don't get me wrong, I love me some makeup, but I also love me some comedy. And I'm a comedy genius, so that's what keeps me alive. So I'm just gonna tell you some stories. So naturally, my eyebrows are very thick. I have very dark hair. You know, my eyebrows are thicky. They're bushy and they're like large. Ever since I was in, I think 5th grade, I started to like get into like getting them thinner and not so like huge and like gross. I mean, they weren't actually gross, they were like fine, but you know me. Always a beauty queen, a beauty enthusiast, a beauty god. So here's what I did. I used a normal razor, like a razor for like your legs, and I shaved my eyebrows with it. So you already know where the story is going, you know? So I'd get a razor, I'd go in between, I'd go above, and I'd go below. Little do I know, that's like not good to do at all. That's really bad for you, like your skin, like buy skin. And also little do I know that your eyebrows should be closer together than the space of a razor. You know, like your eyebrows should be like here, not like out here. I didn't learn that until, I don't know when I learned it, but you know what, I learned it. And thank God I learned my lesson, but it didn't stop there. Are you going to work early?
No, we need to leave soon.
Oh my God. Y'all heard that correctly? Did y'all hear that? She said, we need to leave soon. So after that phase of eyebrowness, I decided to start filling them in, and I used the magical, well-loved Anastasia brow pomade. And you know, my eyebrows they were actually fine. They weren't bad. I mean, they weren't the best, but they were perfectly fine. I would still like shave down my eyebrows, but with like an eyebrow razor, you know? Not like with like a real razor, I would use an eyebrow razor. Then, you know, my eyebrows were fine. And then 8th grade, my eyebrows in 8th grade were tragic. They were tragic. They were so thick. I didn't shave them because my razor that I used like stopped working because it got like dull. So I just stopped shaving them like completely. They were slowly getting bigger and bigger. I didn't notice though. And so I'll insert some pictures of that for you. Let's check the time. I have like 8 minutes. Oh my god, I just realized I actually have 8 minutes. Are you actually kidding me? Oh my god. Why am I so stupid? Why am I so stupid? Why am I always late? Okay, thank god this is the last day of school because duh, like 1, school, 2, I can't afford to be stressing out like this any day. Like, I don't want to have to be making a video for y'all and then be like, oh, I'm gonna be late. Cause like, that's annoying for me and you. Like, y'all probably aren't like,
That's funny.
like y'all probably like,
You're irresponsible.
and you know what? If you think that, then you're so right because I am not a responsible person. So now we're gonna contour it. You know, when I said I was gonna be wearing dramatic makeup to school, I didn't say that makeup was gonna be good. I'm not ready. I'm getting stared at everywhere I go. So I'm walking out of my school and you know what, I'm never gonna come back. So that's like the best thing ever. This isn't about my makeup, but I don't care. Rachel's here with me. She gets featured, but she's kind of awkward, so.
Oh my god, I'm not.
I'll update you guys later. Okay, bye. Hey guys, I'm back from my very last day of high school as a freshman. I want to talk about my day. Besides the makeup, I like got sick in first period because of the coffee I drank and it was not fun. As for my grades, I am dumb. But you know what, at least I have YouTube on my back. You know, I got YouTube to back me up. So anyways, on to the makeup. Here is the sitch. Guess what? Guess what? I wasn't late. How cool is that? Like, I wasn't late to the last day of school. That is literally insane to me. Here's the thing. If you are scared to wear makeup, just like me, because honestly, I'm speaking from personal experience right now. I was scared to wear makeup when I was in 7th grade, I think is when I started wearing makeup. So I would wear like clear brow gel, some concealer, and like that, you know, that clear mascara? I would use that as mascara. Like sis, it was not doing anything. It was clear mascara. And I slowly started progressing. Just like how I was telling my eyebrow story, I started doing my eyebrows, I started filling those boys in. And then eventually it got to a point where I felt confident wearing lashes to school. Mostly because if I didn't wear lashes, I felt ugly, so. And so I've gotten to a point where I feel confident, but I never felt, you know, I don't really feel confident enough wearing, you know, this kind of makeup. So I wanted to push myself out there to kind of prove a little bit of a point. And also, like, this goes back to what I was saying before, where like I would wear makeup and I was like a little scaredy cat, and I thought everyone would judge me, and I thought people would judge me today. But here's the tea, sis. No one cares. Like, literally no one cares. And just wear makeup to school. Like, if you want to, do it. Before y'all clock me, I know like Rachel said the same like stuff in her video, and I don't want to seem like I'm copying her because I agree with what she said. But like, wear makeup if you freaking want to, and like, people will judge you. Like people did judge me, honestly. I got judged. Surprising, but it did happen. People would judge me and they'd be like, oh, your makeup, like, And I'd be like, yes, like, sweetie, what is that? Like, what's the tea? No one ever actually like hated on me. People would just give me looks. I mean, especially today, like I got looks, I got stares, but you know what? I felt like confident. That's a lie. That is not true. But, you know, just if anyone tries to tell you your makeup like looks bad or you shouldn't be wearing makeup to school or you're wearing too much makeup, heck them, you know, freak them, because they are probably just sad with themselves and they just need someone to hate on because they have nothing else better to do with their lives than to talk down on you for wearing something like makeup. Like, I mean, you have to think about it sometimes. Like, you should never ever take hate to heart. Why am I like lecturing you? Like, why am I like lecturing you right now? Like, this is so unnecessary. Anyway, so that is, I think, I guess we're gonna end this video off, you know? I'm sorry. I feel like this video isn't gonna be that long. I have something else to say before I end the video, is that I want you to know that I'm gonna eventually be buying a new camera, and this is my phone. And don't get me wrong, like this phone has done me so well and I love it, but I want to be able to use my phone during filming, and I also want to be able to have better quality and like better sound quality. So, I want to buy a camera. I have a P.O. box. It'll be in the description if you want to like see it. And yeah, so, oh, also my other thing I want to say is that this summer I'm going to be posting a lot more. I'm planning on starting next week posting twice a week. Isn't that so exciting?